What about figs on pizza?
I'm not a fan of the figs in general.
What about pear on pizza?
No, pear.
Let's just say no fruit on pizza.
Nah, I'm not gonna say that.
Why? What other fruit goes on pizza?
I'll tell Italians get excited about the whole discussion, but I mean, I like pineapple on pizza, so whatever. I mean, I don't like it when you just take a pineapple, like those round pineapples from the can, and there's like,
That's what they think we do. Nobody does that.
exactly.
It's like little bits.
Yeah, and usually it's probably someone's like caramelized them or done something. There's
Or
probably
some ham.
it's a proper.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good though.
I think it's good. I've even met Italians that have had it.
Oh yeah, I've met plenty of Italians there.
Italians in real life are not anything like what they are on social media.
No, exactly. The whole idea, like in social media, where it's like, but then there's the fruit and the salt and the salt and the sweet. No one cares. Like if you get like, honestly, if it would be like if I'm with like a group of people and they start discussing this passionately, I'll just leave because like, dude, like I've been through this so many times.
Yeah.
Enjoy your pizza.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, don't order that. And just understand that probably if it comes to like a food combination, flavor combination, things like that, Italians probably gonna have a pretty good idea about it.
Mhm.
Sometimes that can lead to people being a little bit close-minded when they come from a culture like that. As a musician, I'm probably guilty of that myself. Took me a long time to get into certain music because I just didn't give it a chance because maybe I thought I was good,
Who's better at steak, Americans or Italians?
Ooh, steak. Italians.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to generalize, yeah.
Average steak in Italy, I would agree, is better than the average steak in the U.S.
When the average person knows how to eat, definitely knows how to cook better than the average person in America. Pretty much anything besides a burger. And yeah, steak, the average Italian knows how to eat a steak better as well. Like you're not gonna get these Italians that are like, I only eat my steak well done.
No. I wish they would put salt on it. Outside of Florence, I've never had a steak here that had enough salt. They want you to add it at the table.
Yeah, they definitely don't want to. You got to err on the side of not enough, and then the person can add a little bit of oil, salt. I mean, that's the thing. Any American that like feels like they kind of feel like triggered by that, if you're a steak purist, to understand that in Italy, like they don't put crap on it. They don't season it. It's just steak. That you should like that,
Yeah.
That should attract you.
The steak in Florence is one of my most memorable meals. First time I had a bistecca alla Fiorentina.
Yeah.
Thick rock salt.
We had like a reunion of all the people from my friends from my study abroad like 20 years ago. We had a 20-year reunion. One of them bought us dinner at the steak restaurant. It was so good.
Okay, unsalted bread. Yes or no?
Yeah, totally. I'm down.
You're down?
Yeah. It's not that the salt isn't the problem with some of the bread around here.
What's the problem?
Too dry, a lot of it.
The unsalted bread is always dry.
Right, but I don't think that's because it's not salted. A lot of the times the unsalted bread is too dry, but it doesn't bother me that doesn't have salt. It bothers me that it's too dry. But yeah,
that's fair. I think the salt holds moisture, maybe.
Like I said, you can ask an Italian 5-year-old, they'll probably know the answer to this question. But me, I don't know.